Namaste, myself JBN Gaurav Goyal. Today, we are going to discuss about the session binding energy in general relation. Let we start. Binding energy. To produce ionization, energy must be given to an orbital electron in order to remove it from atom, because there is a force of attraction between the electron and the positively charged nucleus. Therefore, the energy which is just sufficient to remove an electron from the orbit is known as binding energy. Binding energy is a energy which is required to emit electron from the atom. The magnitude of the binding energy depends on the atomic number and the shell from which the electron is being removed. It is greater for element of higher atomic number and greatest for K shell, innermost shell. Binding energies are negative because they represents amount of energy that must be supplied to remove electrons from atom. Electron shell are often described in terms of binding energy of electron occupying the shell. Means binding energy are negative because they represent amount of energy that must be supplied. Means the binding energy always represented in negative sign. For example, the binding energy is 13.-13.5 eV for an electron in the K shell of hydrogen, and -3.4 eV for the electron in the L shell. Work. If a force acts on a body and the point of application of the force moves, then work is said to be done by the force. If the force F moves a body through a distance s in its direction, then the work done by the force is given by the W is equal to force into displacement F into S. The displacement doesn't always take place in the direction of force. If a constant force F applied on a body produces a displacement S in such a way that S is inclined to F at an angle theta, means work is equal to force into displacement. If the point of application of force moves, then work is said to be done by the force. And if S is inclined to F at an angle theta, then it is the work W is equal to F into F cos theta into S. Hence, work done is equal to the product of the component of force in the direction of motion and the distance traveled. The SI unit of work is joule, and it is denoted by the letter Z. 1 joule is the amount of work done when the point of application of force of 1 Newton acting on body moves it through a distance of 1 meter in the direction of force. Means SI unit of the work is joule, represented by the J. 1 joule is the amount of work done when the point of application of force of 1 Newton acting on a body move it through a distance of 1 meter, then in the direction of force. Power. The rate of doing work is called power. It is measured by the amount of work done in unit time. If W is the work done in time t, then power is equal to W by t, work by time. The SI unit of power is joule per second. It is also given by a special unit watt, which is equal to 1 joule per second. A larger unit of power is called kilowatt, which is equal to 1000 watt. The unit electric energy consumption is kilowatt hour. 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 365 times of 0 radiation exposure and absorbed. The term radiation exposure X refer the radiation quantity measured in term of ionization in air in a small volume around a point. If radiation quantity measured in term of ionization of air in a small volume around a point. Exposure is a source related term. Exposure from an X-ray source obeys inverse square law. The unit of exposure is Roentgen R. One Roentgen shall be the quantity of X or gamma rays such that the associate corpuscular emission 0.001293 gram of air. One cc of dry air at NTP produced in air ions carrying 1 ESU electrostatic unit of quantity of electricity of either sign. The unit may also be defined in term of SI unit as a 1 Roentgen equal to 2.58 × 10⁻⁴ coulomb per kg of air. Absorbed dose. The term absorbed dose refers the amount of energy absorbed per unit mass of the substance. Means the per unit mass m of air, the unit of absorbed dose is rad or radiation absorbed dose, which means radiation absorbed dose. 1 rad is equal to 1 joule per kg, 1 gray is equal to 100 rad. This session is over. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jayati Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Thank you.